So yesterday we have seen what is polynomial, then what is algebraic expressions, polynomial, then degree of polynomial, isn't it? Now we shall study what are the types of polynomials. Based on the degree of the polynomial, the polynomials are divided into certain group. For example, first is a linear polynomial. Or linear या बस येतो एक सांग linear polynomial. Now, yesterday we have seen what is the degree of polynomial. So, degree means what? The highest exponent of the variable. For example, in a polynomial x raised to 50 minus 20 x raised to 20 plus 10, this is the polynomial in here. Then which is the highest exponent? 50 is the highest exponent. So, degree of this particular polynomial, which is in x variable, is 50. Now, linear polynomial means what? Now, if you are writing a polynomial in x, suppose if px is equal to 2x plus 1. So, what is the degree here? 2x means x raised to 1 is here, which is not written. So, when degree is 1, it is called a linear polynomial. Suppose if you are writing a polynomial in y, py is equal to 5y minus 10. Here also y means y raised to 1. So degree is 1. So such types of polynomials which are having degree 1, they are called linear polynomial or polynomial with degree 1. With degree 1. Then second type is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Now quadratic means what? Quadratic 2. Now suppose you have px is equal to polynomial in x 5x square minus 10x. So what is the degree here? Degree means the highest exponent. So here x raised to 1, here x square 2 is the highest exponent. So when highest exponent is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. Suppose if you are writing p of polynomial in a, that is 7a square minus 5. Here also what is the degree of a? 2. So these polynomials which are having degree 2, they are called quadratic polynomial. So a polynomial with degree 2. So polynomial with degree 1 is linear polynomial, with degree 2 quadratic. Then third types of polynomial that comes under cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cube means how much? 3. So when a polynomial with degree 3, with degree 3, now you can tell me the example. Say px is equal to polynomial in x where 7x cube minus 5x square plus 2x minus 1. So highest exponent of the x is 3. So degree 3, so it is called cubic polynomial. So if I want to write one more polynomial in y, it is 10y cube minus 2y square. So here degree highest exponent is 3, so degree is 3. So Linear means with degree 1, quadratic with degree 2. With degree 3 it is called cubic polynomial, and if degree is 4 it is called biquadratic. That is not for you. But if in a polynomial, suppose I am writing a polynomial like this, 10x raised to 4 minus 10. What is the highest exponent here now? 4 is the highest exponent of the year. So degree 4, it is called biquadratic, but that term is not for you in your book. Okay? So now, suppose you are asked, write a polynomial or say monomial with coefficient 10 and degree 5. Coefficient 10 and degree 5. Suppose you are asked, write a monomial in x. Write a monomial in x with coefficient 10 and degree 5. So how we have to write this now? Coefficient 10 means 10 variable x, so 10x and degree 5. It will be like this. Coefficient minus 5, then degree 2. How we can write? Minus 5x square minus 5x square. So coefficient minus 5 and degree is 2. So they can ask you the objective question, write a monomial, write a binomial with degree, like that. Okay? So after types of polynomial, just now you are seeing monomial, linear polynomial means polynomial with degree 1, quadratic with degree 2, cubic means with degree 3. Again, based on the terms which are there in the polynomial, again polynomials are divided into certain groups. For example, monomial, monomials, binomials, and trinomials. So based on how many terms are there, again polynomials are divided into certain groups. Monomial means only one term. For example, 2x square, there is only one term. Minus 5y, only one term. 10x raised to 15, only one term. So these are monomials. Binomials, say 2x plus 5. There are two terms now. 5x square minus 3x. 7y square y raised to 5 minus 10. So in all these polynomials, we are having two terms each. So they are known as binomials. And then trinomials, of course. How to write trinomials now? How many terms? There will be 3 terms. So if you want to write 3x square minus 5x plus 2, there are 3 terms now. It is a trinomial. 5y raised to 10 minus 50y plus 7, or 5a square minus 3a minus 20. So all these include 3 terms each. So these polynomials, they are called trinomials. And all they are itself known as polynomials. See, the polynomials having 2 or more terms, the algebraic expression having 2 or more terms, they are always known as what? Polynomials. If only one term is there, it is identified as monomial. So this is a polynomial. This is also polynomial. Suppose if you are writing 5x raised to 4 minus 10x cube plus 4x square minus 5x plus 1. There are so many terms here now. So that will be polynomial. So these are the types of polynomials based on what? Terms. So monomials, binomials and trinomials.